Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and today we're going to talk about how long do Beats Studio 3 last. Now, there's two variations to this question. One is how long does the battery last, and two is how long is the average lifespan of these headphones. So let's get on to the video. So first, let's talk about the battery life. The battery life on the Beats Studio 3 is 22 hours with noise cancelling enabled and 40 hours without noise cancelling enabled. To find out how you can turn on and off the noise cancelling feature, we have a video that we made especially for that, and we're going to link it down below. If you're looking at the Beats Studio 2 and the Beats Studio 3, they're basically unnoticeable difference in how they look like. They use the same materials, the same ear pads, the same headband. The only thing that's different is the electronics inside. And on the Beats Studio 3, they actually made the electronics better, which makes me believe that they're going to last longer in terms of functionality. However, what is not going to last longer are going to be the ear pads. As you notice, both of these headphones do not have the original ear pads on them. So what can you do about this? First of all, set your expectations. If you have a pair of Beats or any other headphones like Bose, Sony, expect the ear pads to eventually wear out. They're either going to smell, flake, or simply tear, which is very popular with the Beats right in the seam in the middle. However, you can replace these ear pads very easily. And we made a video and we'll show you exactly how, and we're gonna link it down below. So to summarize this video, the Beats Studio 3 are actually made from really good materials. They're very durable, flexible, and they're built to last. The electronics are very good inside and will function very good for a very long time. If you treat these headphones right, they're gonna last for more than 5 years. And let me give you a couple of tips on how to treat them right. So the first tip is when you don't use these headphones, store them in the case. Another cool hack that you can use is you can buy a silica gel packet off of Amazon and simply place it in the case and close it out. This will keep the ear pads fresh and moisture free and will really extend their life. The second one is cleaning your headphones maybe once a week or once a month if you don't use them as much. If you want a detailed guide on how to clean your headphones, we've made a video just for that and we're going to link it down below. If you're wondering how you can customize your headphones just like these, we're running a 30% off sale. Simply click here to get your coupon. I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us or simply comment down below and we'll answer as soon as possible. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel as we release more content every month.